Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Pocket Osmo. Two best videos to watch. We'll have that coming right up. Since its announcement last Wednesday, the DJI Pocket Osmo has been generating an awful lot of interest. Without a doubt, it's going to be the #1 tech stocking stuffer for this holiday season. One of the things I've been doing since its announcement last week have been looking on YouTube for videos regarding the DJI Pocket Osmo. What I'm going to do today is recommend the two best videos that I have found without a doubt for the DJI Pocket Osmo. Now, the first one is from Tom's Tech Time. Now, if you followed Tom before, he has an outstanding channel and has done some great reviews. He doesn't spare doesn't hold anything back regarding the DJI Pocket Osmo. He does everything he starts out with an unboxing of it and just absolute fantastic comparisons in the video. A lot of information in there. It's 10 minutes that is well worth your time. I highly recommend it. Tom covers almost everything except one thing in the video that I had been looking for, was seeing the Pocket Osmo at night. That problem was solved today. Ash from Droning On has a DJI Pocket Osmo and has been putting it through its paces. He did a video completely at night. It was fantastic. And if you take a look at it, and this is one of the things, and again, there'll be cards up there, and I'll drop links in the description for you guys to check out these videos. Unbelievable the difference just having it raw when compared to when he did did some post-production. So you definitely want to check that out. These are two videos that are definitely something that you should watch regarding the DJI Pocket Osmo. In fact, they are the videos, because of them, this is why I have decided to go ahead and get the DJI Pocket Osmo. Question of the day. What is your favorite video that you have seen so far on the DJI Pocket Osmo? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page, where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also, check out my Twitter account, where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.